Ladies and gentlemen, I decided to try out running TikTok ads and see what the whole force is all about. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you, I'm going to be sharing my results with you, my experience, and also going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to run TikTok ads from any part of the world. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Favour Kemjii Okoro, and on this channel, I talk everything marketing, sales, and finance, generally to help you live a highly profitable life all around. So we've been hearing about TikTok ads coming to Nigeria, and it is true. Nigerians with Nigerian cards in Nigerian locations can now run ads on TikTok, and that is super amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is, because as a business owner, you understand that traffic is the lifeblood of your business. If people are coming in, more people are seeing your offer, you're most likely to make more sales. As a business owner, you cannot keep selling to the same number of people. You need to build a brand that constantly generates leads and shows your products and your offers to new eyes. And now that TikTok ads is still fresh in the market, you have the advantage of cashing in on it now because it's cheaper, it will give you a higher reach, and also because you're going to be one of the first few people who are going to run sponsored adverts on TikTok. And then most people will not even be able to differentiate between when TikTok is just recommending a post to when it is sponsored, because it's still fresh to us, right? Unlike Facebook and Instagram, where we already know this is an ad and we can easily scroll past. But now you can get lots of attention because people don't even know it's an advert. They just think it's TikTok recommending something interesting, and they will sit back and watch. Also, there are still very few adverts. I think I've barely seen up to 5 adverts that started seeing TikTok ads, because few people still know about it. People are yet to cash in on it, and now is the best time before adverts will fill everywhere. Before you scroll 5 times on Facebook, you see like 10 adverts. That's not the case on TikTok right now, so you have a chance for your ad to stand out. So this is the best time for you to cash in on it. Don't be delayed. Don't say no, it's not for me. Don't miss out on opportunities while it is still hot. So if you're ready, I'm going to be sharing my screen right now and show you exactly how to run TikTok ads and show you the results that I got from running TikTok ads. Let's get straight into it.
Now, the first thing you're going to do is to open your TikTok app and go to your profile. You're going to upload the video that you want to boost. I've already uploaded mine. Once you upload it, select the video. Then look at the bottom of the video. Click on the 3 dots. You're going to see something like promote to get more views. Have you seen something like that? You're going to see increase views or promote. Click on it. Once you click on it, they will ask you to select your goal. Like, what is the goal for your promoting this video? There are 3 options. One is to boost accounts, which is to get more video views, get more followers on your page. The other one is to get more leads. That's people clicking a link, right? And then the last one is also to get more sales. Also people clicking a link, either to your website or to your WhatsApp or whatever the link may be. So now for TikTok ads, you pay using coins. Now, if you're somebody who has a verified TikTok account, you'll be getting coins when you go live and all of that. But if you don't have all those things, because I don't have, you're going to have to use your card and pay. The next section is where they ask you to select your audience. Now, you select the gender. This is where you should know who you want to sell to, right? Select the gender, if it's male or female or both. If it's all, you can select all. Then you select the age too. If it's all, you select all, or you select the specific age that your product is made for. Then you select their interest, right? What are they interested in? Tick it. If it's everything, tick everything. You need to know who your product is for and the kind of things those people are interested in. Is it food? Is it beauty? Is it appliances? Is it sports? Is it e-commerce? Once you select all these things, you click on save. Now there's an option here to allow TikTok to choose an audience for you. When you go back, you will see that there are 2 options. The first one is the default audience and the custom audience. Default is where TikTok chooses an audience for you. Custom is where you choose. I use the custom audience. All right. So now you're going to click on budget. The next thing is budget and duration. You can drag the budget to the lowest, which is about 1,300 Naira per day. Right, and then you can also select the duration, how long you want it to run. I want to test 1,300 for 3 days. Now, as you're increasing the duration and the budget, the number of coins you need to buy keeps increasing, right? I think it's about 70 coins for, I can't remember. But once you're done, click on recharge, right? When you click on recharge, they'll show you how much your coins are or how much you need to pay for the coins. So for 5 coins, you're going to be paying this amount. For 70 coins, you're paying 1,620. For 350 coins, you can see the price. So select the number of coins based on how many coins you need to run your ad. You can even add more than you need, so that next time you want to run ads, you not keep funding. Okay, once you select the one you want, you're going to click on recharge. I selected 350 coins. The higher you go, you see that it gets cheaper. Now they're going to ask me to select my card. Because I'm using Google Play Store and I already put my card on Google Play Store. All I need to do is select that card and they're going to debit the card automatically. If you've never added your card before to Google Play Store, you're going to ask you to add your card details. When you add your card details, they will automatically debit you. Now, if you're using an iPhone, there are two things I need you to take note of. First of all, your payment will be done via your iCloud, right? So you're going to have to get a dollar card and pay via iCloud. And there's also something else that you will notice. You have an extra fee to pay. This is Apple service fee, right? And it is quite a good amount of money. As you can see here, it's almost 50% of the money. It's even more than 50% of what I'm supposed to pay. So I'm supposed to pay TikTok 8,000 naira here, and then the Apple service fee is 4,307 naira. That's more than half of the amount, and that is crazy. I wouldn't advise you to do that, which is why I would recommend that you use an Android device to set up this advert. If you don't have, find somebody you can borrow from. Use an Android device. There's no extra service fee if you're using Android and Google Play Store. Now let's go back to my payment on my Android device. Now I have been debited and the payment is successful, and you can see thanks for your submission. My ad now is under review. They're going to review it and tell me if the ad is fit to run, and this took less than 30 minutes. They told me that my ad has been reviewed and it is now allowed to run. And you're going to get notification on your TikTok. Then if this is your first time, they will ask you a few questions about why you decided to run this promotion. Just answer the question. It helps them to improve their ad systems better. Click on submit and you're good to go. A few minutes later, my ad was approved and it started running. I was trying to get people to click on my link and come to my website. Now let's check the results after the ad was run. Now this is my page after the ad was run. Remember, the post was made with 0 likes and everything. Look at it, with 3,495 views. And let's click on it. If you go to your notifications, you can click to see how the promotion went. You can see promotion ended. This is the results here. I spent 2,000 naira. I got 171 people clicking on my link. That's about 11 naira per link click. I also got 2,609 video views, and I got 5 new followers, 97 profile views, 500 plus likes. They also show you the audience, the kind of audience I got, so that next time I run my ad, I can focus on this kind of audience. So check your notifications, see how the ad ran, and it will help you make better ads in the future.
So guys, you've seen for yourself how to run TikTok ads, and I expect you to get started running TikTok ads immediately. Don't dull, don't sleep on this. Now, if you watch this video to the end and you love this, please comment TikTok ads below. Just comment TikTok ads in the comment section, and I want to know those who watched till the end. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to show you more content like this. Subscribe to this channel so you can get more content like this on sales, marketing, and finance that will help you make more money online and build a highly profitable business. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.